Hi girls, just to let you know, this is where I'm going to be showing you how to utilize glue sticks cut into little chunks using a scalpel and cutting them into little chunks using a scalpel into smaller sizes, as you can see here, because I only need a little tiny bit of glue. All right, so what we're doing is attaching the fishing rod die cut onto the card that's pre-assembled, and in the end it ends up like this, where everything is secured on but still looks fairly fairly flexible. Okay, so I'm going to have the heat gun on. You can see the heat gun is in this contraption here, which is basically a heat gun holder. And what I've done is just jammed it in and balanced it in such a way that the nozzle is accessible for me to use. It'll be noisy when I show things, but you'll get the gist of it. All right. What I'm using here originally was double-sided tape, and we found that the double-sided tape was too dodgy, and it's a foam double-sided tape. So what I have to do is secure the die cut down with the glue bit. So how I'm doing it is I'm using it's called a dental pick, but you can use anything, but I find that's the easiest for me. And you jab it so that it's secure, and then switch on the heat gun and put the glue in the heat gun's airway, and you see it starts going clear. Once it's clear, just stick it quickly under your die cut, and when it touches the cardstock, it's glued on. All right, that's as easy as it is. I'll repeat again. All right, sticking it under, pressing it, and it's secured. All right, now this is the finicky fishing rod. There are 3 spots that I actually apply the glue to. So these are larger chunks of the hot glue. I need a smaller bit. Okay, so as you can see, there it is. If you fiddle around too long and it's gone hard and becomes opaque, all you do is stick it into the heat flow, airflow again, and it will remelt. It will become clear again. So it's idiot proof. Sometimes, you know, the phone rings and I go and get it, and then I come back and I have to remelt everything again. So this is how you do it. All right. And that's it. See, it's all attached. So the tail's secured, so the fish won't drop off. The floater secured, and then the 3 points on the fishing rod secured. So it looks like it's floating, but it's still basically loose. All right. I hope that helps you and you understand what it's like. I've got so many of these cards to do, but, you know, it's a work in progress. See ya. Bye.